Today, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar held telephonic talks with his Portuguese counterpart João Cravinho and discussed bilateral and multilateral issues. Taking to his official Twitter handle, Jaishankar wrote, "Good to talk to FM João Cravinho of Portugal. Our discussions covered bilateral and multilateral issues." In response to Jaishankar's tweet, João Cravinho's tweet read, "Always a pleasure to discuss with Dr. S. Jaishankar and always plenty to talk about." In its annual report of 2022, the Ministry of External Affairs said that the ties between India and Portugal continued to strengthen in 2022. Although the ongoing conflict in Ukraine has adversely affected commercial activity, including tourism flows, yet the bilateral trade has nonetheless flourished between the two nations. According to the MEA report, the ratification of the bilateral migration and mobility agreement intended to facilitate mutually beneficial migratory flows has been a major step in this regard. As per reports, India joining the Community of Portuguese-Speaking Countries or CPLP in July 2021 has further added a new side to New Delhi's relations with Portugal, and the Lusophonic world, with events like India celebrating Portuguese Language Day and organizing a Lusophone cultural festival in Goa, has further strengthened the ties. Earlier in last October, India and Portugal held the third round of Foreign Office Consultations or FOCs in Lisbon, where the two sides reviewed bilateral relations and discussed cooperation in defence, cultural and people-to-people relations, among others. The consultations were co-chaired by Secretary West in MEA, Sanjay Verma, and Director General for Foreign Policy in Portugal's Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Envoy Rui Vinhas. As per reports, the two sides carried out a comprehensive review of bilateral relations with a focus on issues like high-level political engagements, implementation of migration and mobility agreement, deepening of trade and economic ties, and explored new and existing cooperation avenues in science and technology, defense, cultural and people-to-people relations, etc. According to MEA's press release, the two sides also exchanged views on global and regional issues of common interest and agreed to work closely in multilateral cooperation.